Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Global Unicorn Index 2024. Recently, the Hurun Research Institute released the Global Unicorn Index 2024. It is a ranking of the world's startups founded in the 2000s, worth at least $1 billion and not yet listed on a public exchange. Hurun Research has been tracking unicorns since 2017. This is the sixth year of the Global Unicorn Index. Previous editions of the Hurun Unicorn Index reported 68 unicorns in India in 2023 and 2022, 54 in 2021, and 21 in both 2020 and 2019. Let's look at its highlights. Indian founders had co-founded 109 unicorns outside of India compared to 67 within India. A significant number of these unicorns outside India were in the USA, with 4 in the UK, 3 in Singapore, and 2 in Germany. Some of the notable offshore unicorns co-founded by Indians included Alchemy, Lacework, FalconX, and Netscope. Despite the slowdown, India ranked third globally in terms of the number of unicorns, with the USA leading at 703 unicorns, followed by China at 340. India's prominent unicorns included Swiggy and Dream11, both valued at $8 billion, and fintech company Razorpay at $7.5 billion. Globally, 42 unicorns were demoted from unicorn status due to valuation dropping below $1 billion. India and China have a higher percentage of cheetahs, gazelles, and unicorns, which are likely to translate into a higher percentage of Hurun Global 500 companies over the next 5 years. Cheetahs are startups likely to become unicorns within 5 years, while gazelles are expected to achieve unicorn status within 3 years. Globally, ByteDance remained the most valuable unicorn with a valuation of $220 billion, followed by SpaceX, OpenAI, Ant Group, and Shein. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which country leads in the number of unicorns according to the Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2024? USA, China, India, or UK? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.